Hey, my name's Cody Fennell, and I go to Whitesboro First Baptist. And I really just got saved because I thought it was my time, and I wanted Jesus to be in me. Like, I knew I was doing some bad stuff, and I was hanging out with the wrong people sometimes, and so I just didn't want to do that anymore. I wanted to live with Jesus. I wanted to live by His rules and all that. And on a daily basis, I go to church at First Baptist in Whitesboro, and then I read the Bible occasionally, and then I do what He wants me to do. Like, if He tells me something, I'll do it. And if I feel like He wants me to do something that I'm not doing, then I'll do it. And if I feel like He's telling me something to stop, I'll stop. And I try not to sin, but everyone sins, and that's why God forgives us. And I think that living by Christ is far better than living without Him.